How's it going, everybody? What a beautiful day. It actually rained a bunch earlier. Yeah, I know it's hard to tell now looking at the ground. It still looks bone dry, but I got the 4555 sitting here. I threw the quick hitch on, flipped the drawbar, got the clasp on there. We are running down. Gonna do some tractor pulls tonight. I don't know if it's gonna cool down or not, so I grabbed a sweatshirt or a long sleeve shirt. Throw that in there. Oh, let's see. Let's fire this up. Check and make sure my lights are working. They work. Look good there. Flashes anyway. Look good there. So lights all work. Let's head down now, and yeah, hopefully everything works out good. And let's see this old girl go down the track. Nice Fords over there. Open these windows. Where'd Brandon run off to?
I'm gonna go to that meeting.
I'm gonna sneak into his tractor while he's not here. Oh boy! I could see myself in one of these. Time to go to the driver's meeting. So a lot of different tractors here tonight. I'm parked over by the green guys. We got a lot of red. We got a lot of blue, actually. A lot of the Fords are up right now. Should be interesting. I went and got some dinner. I got the loaded tots and the brisket sandwich. Gotta love it. Gotta love Fair Week. So anyway, I'm gonna eat this quick and then go find a spot over there and watch some pulls. So we'll see some tractors going down the track. So the night started going really, really good. You had a lot of guys down there. A lot of people were amped up and really excited. Each class had quite a few people in it. There was a lot of different tractors there too. That was cool to see. Like I said, there were some Olivers, a bunch of red tractors, a lot of blue tractors, and then of course you had the green tractors. So like I said, everything was going good, and then something happened to the sled, and something got wedged, and I don't exactly know what was wrong with it, but I know the sled was sitting there for the longest time, and they ended up canceling the pull.
On YouTube, Mike? Yeah.
So, me and Hunter get to take the 718 back because they canceled the pulls. You know, it happens. What do you say? You ready to hit this? I don't know who's more excited, you or me. I don't think so.
do this because they clap and scream and whistle.
You know a lot
This
of sign
means
language?
rock.
Oh, I know that.
Everyone knows that. Guess what this means?
Hang loose.
What?
It's like Hawaiian, right? Hang loose. Where'd Brock go? Did he take off already? Oh, he's taking that one. I'll let him go first.
What happened to your
Whoa.
camera?
It's on. It's recording.
Screen just turned off?
Yeah, that screen goes black after a little while. Watch out, people. We're coming through.
We're gonna hit you.
We will.
Boom, boom, boom.
Taking names.
Boom, boom, boom. Crash into the car and hit me.
Oh, we'll hook onto. So let's hook onto this camper. We'll do a pull.
Boom. Hey, all we gotta do is get a junk camper.
There you go.
There we go. There's
Load it
our
up
goal.
and see who can pull the furthest. So, just about everyone's taken off. Guys are having fun with their trucks and tractors, and they just fixed the sled. So it does not matter that it's 11 o'clock at night. We're pulling. So you know what? Let's fire this old girl up and see how she does. I need someone to record me though when I'm going down. No, not me recording. Record me recording. That's all right.
I was like, oh, and I saw a red light go off. Four-wheel drives aren't making it as far.
No. tractor pulls. Not a lot of them, but not a lot of guys stuck around either. So we just got done spreading manure. It's raining outside, so we spread it in the manure storage just for the night, which is funny because tomorrow will be a nice day, so we'll probably just scoop it back out and go spread it. But anyway, once again, a real fun tractor pull. I was real nervous that I wasn't gonna get to do it, and to be able to hook up to the sled for the first time was pretty awesome. I don't know what my distance was because I was just so excited. Yeah, I wasn't even listening. I just got down the track, was grabbing gears. I think I got one or too many gears that I needed to get, but you learn and you know what to do for next time. But anyway, thumbs up to Dusty and all his buddies that helped out and fixed the sled, made that possible. Thumbs up to Brock for letting me drive a 7810. That was pretty cool. But all in all, it was a pretty fun night. You gotta love it when the neighbors can come together and have fun like that. Dale, Scott, I saw the trophies and I said I was the champion of the 4-wheel drive class, and I was there with Dale, and I picked up the one for the 12.5 class and handed it to him, so he's the self-proclaimed champion of the 12.5 class. But anyway, just a fun night all around, and yeah, what can you say? But can't wait till next year. And I am looking forward to next year. Hopefully nothing goes wrong next year. It would be nice to have everyone pull. So anyway, thumbs up if you like this video. Drop me a question or comment below. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. If you have, thumbs up to you. I totally appreciate it. I'm gonna park this and finish feeding cows and go to the house for the night. So anyway, have a good one, everybody.